You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. In this episode of Back to Basics, we're going to be removing the center console armrest in this Mark 2.5. This is very similar to a Mark II. We're going to start off with the gear knob. Obviously this isn't a standard gear knob, this is one I made 15 years ago, but it works just the same as a standard gear knob. All you've got to do is grab it and twist it anti-clockwise. If you've got a standard gear knob, this is going to be really stiff. I do sometimes miss being a CNC machinist. Next we could come to the back of the armrest underneath this panel here, and there are two screws, one there and one there. Then we come to the front of the center console where the center console joins the dash. We need to remove this plastic cover. There's one either side. I'm just going to use a flat panel tool to do that. And then behind that cover is a Phillips screw. There's one last screw underneath the window switch, so we need to remove that. But just to warn you, most of the time these break. I'm going to use my flat panel tool underneath the front. Gently pry that away. Then we can lift it up from the front and pull it out. And then on the bottom of the switch we can see a white plug. We just need to disconnect that. Removing that is going to reveal the last screw right down in there. With all the screws removed, there is nothing else holding this center console armrest on. So now we can remove it from the car. Be careful when you're doing this as there are wires underneath. To make it easier, make sure the handbrake is all the way on. We're going to start off at the front of the center console. Put your fingers underneath, spread it outwards and then pull it up. As you're pulling it up, just feed that window switch wire through the center console. And then pull the front all the way up. And then carefully pull it forward. When pulling it forward, you've just got to be careful of the boot and fuel cap release, as you have to pull them through this little rubber flap. And that is how to remove your center console armrest from your Mark II or 2.5. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments down below. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.